Welcome to the Fiction Writing Workshop. Whether you're just starting your writing journey or looking to sharpen skills you already have, this comprehensive course by an experienced author will guide you through every essential aspect of creating compelling fiction. Let's unlock your creative potential together. In this workshop, you'll discover how to develop compelling characters with authentic emotions that readers genuinely care about and root for. You'll learn the secrets to building plots with real tension and conflict that keep readers turning pages late into the night. We'll explore how to create immersive story settings and scenes that transport readers directly into your world. And more. Every great story rests on two fundamental pillars: characters and plot. Your characters need genuine depth, real dreams, authentic fears, and emotions that resonate with readers and make them genuinely care what happens next. Your plot must create compelling conflicts that challenge your protagonist and drive the story forward to a satisfying and meaningful climax. When these two elements work together, magic happens. Let me walk you through the structure of a powerful plot. First, your protagonist recognizes a plot problem that demands their attention and action. This is your inciting incident. Next comes a series of successive failures that raise the stakes and build emotional investment in the outcome. These mounting failures keep readers emotionally hooked. Then comes the climactic moment of truth, where your character makes a desperate do-or-die attempt to solve the problem. Finally, resolution arrives through meaningful character growth and transformation. This journey is what makes readers care. Two fundamental techniques separate professional writers from amateurs. First, show, don't tell. Instead of simply writing, "She was nervous," depict her emotion through actions. She fidgets with her hands, checks her watch repeatedly, or hesitates before speaking. Let readers experience the emotion through behavior. Second, master authentic dialogue. Write realistic dialogue with natural speech patterns that moves the story forward while revealing who your characters truly are. Great dialogue does double duty. It advances plot and builds character simultaneously. This workshop is comprehensive and intensely practical. You'll work through 10 detailed lessons covering character development, plot construction, dialogue techniques, point-of-view mastery, and scene design. Each lesson includes hands-on assignments and practical exercises you can apply immediately to your own writing. And you'll gain access to valuable resources, expert recommendations, and professional writing tools that will accelerate your success as a writer. It's time to get your creativity on. Transform those story ideas you've been carrying into compelling fiction that readers will love and remember. This workshop gives you the proven framework, the essential techniques, and the expert guidance you need. All you need to bring is your commitment to the craft. Your next great story is waiting.